My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm going to talk about how to remove an olive from copper pipes and from radiator tails, etc. So I've had the olive cutter for a few years, quite a few years, maybe even as long as 15 years or so, a long time, and they've been really good. And then more recently somebody gave me this. So this is the olive puller, and this pulls the olive off, and then on from that there's a new one that's come out which has got a connection on the top of it where you can connect your drill into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this radiator valve on this radiator here, and we'll use this one first. So we'll use it with the bar, and then what we'll do is we'll use the one with the drill connection, and then you can see how easy it is to remove an olive with these. So let's have a look. I'll look down this radiator now. So first of all, we'll start with the older one. If you look at this, it's got a 22mm connection on there. So what we'll do is we'll unscrew that one off, and then we'll screw that down. And if you see that there, that rests in the pipe so that this pulls it off. So if we start with this one, so all we need to do is tighten that on. And then once we've done that, we'll just turn this bar around. And if we have a look in there, the olive is inside. If we have a look at that olive, it's really crushed. So when this radiator valve was put on, it'd been really tightened, but it still managed to get it off nice and easy, I'd say. So we'll do the other one now. So this is the one that's got the connection for the drill. So what I'm going to do with this is take the bar out, so it's like that, and then I'm going to take the 22mm bit off it, and then just screw that right down. And then just connect that. Just connect that onto there. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to connect the drill into this. So we'll unscrew the top off there, and it gives us a bit more room. So we've just got us a little drill, so we're just going to take a bit out end. So I'm just going to hold that there, so it tightens on, and then
See how easy that was? That's absolutely brilliant. So that's your Monument olive puller, but it's the new one that's got the drill bit on it. So I'd much rather use this one, obviously, than the older one. So again, when we're looking there, it's got the olive in there.
So I'm sure you'll agree, the one with the drill bit connection is absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching.